click on list.
Okay, list.
Find doors. Double click on doors.
Doors.
That's your door list, right?
Yeah.
So to add one, you obviously click the add button. You're gonna add a new door to the system, right?
Right. Yeah.
So click add.
Add.
Okay, that's your window to create doors. Now you're gonna select the type of door, which is a staff. You wanna make sure it's a staff, so
staff
guests have access to.
Staff door.
Yep. Name that door. Has to be unique.
GM office.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that'll be used only for the managers and me and Rennie.
Yep. Now you need to select the area. You can put on back of house.
Okay. Yeah, back of house.
Okay. That's it. Click save.
That's it? It's in the system now?
Yeah. That's all you need to do.
Save and close.
And close. Now, keep in mind, you add a door. Your keys does not know that door exists.
Yeah, we got to program into her.
You gotta reprogram that.
Check all.
And correct, but to make it as default, what you do is you go to user groups. Right.
Okay, I will close this one.
Yeah, you can close it. Go below that doors. You'll see it on user groups, right? Yep.
User groups.
Yep. So under what group are you, Mike?
What do you mean?
User group. Your user group is engineering, correct?
Right. Yeah.
So you're gonna double click on engineering. Actually, they didn't do a lot of user groups. So how many engineerings are you?
Just 3.
Just 3? So only you 2 have access to it?
Right, because probably won't want Omar on there. Just
okay. So let's do this. Close that tab for me, user group details. Click a new one. Oh, yeah, go back to it.
Okay.
Add. And now you're gonna put chief engineering. Right, because you want to separate yourself from the other group of engineering.
Oh, okay, yeah. So
but you still want to be identified as one.
Right.
Chief engineering.
Yep. Now you're gonna click on your left menu, default doors, and you're gonna check out.
Okay, cool. I'll be right back.
At the bottom, you're gonna have the checkout button. Right there. Okay. Now go to your options on your left menu. On the same tab.
Oh, okay. Options.
So let me ask you this: do you guys have default override on your keys?
During.
So if somebody throws the default, are you able to go in?
No.
What
only
about him?
Only the manager. Yeah.
Okay. So that over there where you see options, you see the 2 buttons in our privacy and ignore the default. That's the 2 options you got to ignore the default. So if somebody throws that default, you want to go in, you click on those 2 and click save.
This
but
one.
In this case, we're not using that.
Okay.
So make sure you leave it as on check and then click save.
All right. Save.
Yeah. And close. Now, when you make your key, make sure you change yourself as a chief engineer. So, go to users on your second one on the list of the left menu. Second. Yep.
Double click.
Find yourself.
This one.
Yep. Double click. And you see where it says user group?
Yeah.
Yep. Click on that one and select the user group you create. And click update. And do the same thing to Mike. Close. Yeah, change it to chief engineering. Boom. Update. Close. Close the other tabs. Close that one as well. Okay, now go to bottom left, click on cards. Right there, go to staff. Staff where employee cards are. Select yourself on the 3 dots.
Double click.
Yeah, double click or click and select. Notice that now you have by default all the doors listed.
Yeah.
Because you create a user group with all those doors by default. That's way to do it, so you don't have to be changing or adjusting doors every time you make your key. So now select the number of days that you want to be, be valid. 365 or 6 months. I don't know how often you do it. Okay, and make card and drop your key on the encoder. Yep. Make sure you click overwrite. Yep. And he's done.
Now what's that one for? Mike's office?
I just redid his key with all the doors.
Oh, okay.
For you?
Do mine real quick.
So we adjust your key to be chief engineering. So by default, when you make your key again, you have all the doors.
All the doors.
Yeah. Let me.
Hey, card.
Yeah,
Okay, put your card.
Yeah,
Put your fob.
So it's valid. So it's always gonna ask you if you want to override it. So you're always gonna click override. Done. And you do that for all the keys that you see.
And did he can show you the two meter room doors? You want to see those? Those are on there.
And how you have it. So obviously, to every time you make a change on the system, you gotta obviously synchronize your lock service. Otherwise, the doors you won't show on your
like when
computer.
we do a housekeeper one, we don't want them to have access to the meeting rooms or Mike's office, of course. And so you take those off. Where's those showing on there at?
So this is real simple. Lock service 3E, right? That's your icon right there.
Yeah.
So every time you add a door, make sure you go to download data from server.
Right.
Check all and download. Probably it'll ask you for credentials, so I typically use this one right here, and they change it. So use your credentials.
Yeah, ready to put this in. So now when they're done, we just gotta stick that in. And
press the up key.
Where?
That one. Oh, you just press the initialize lock.
Okay.
Okay, so double click or click on the plus where it says back of house. Right there. Expand, and now it shows.
right.
GM office.
In the meeting room. Oh, really? This has got sawgrass and
Meeting
palmetto?
room is here.
Yeah, but how do you know
Palmetto sawgrass.
Oh, it's palmetto sawgrass.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So the name's on there for the meeting room too. Okay. All right. Oh, man.
Okay.